I've just come out into my back garden to fiddle around with the bird feeders because I'm fed up with the pigeons coming and stealing all the food. So I've been trying to think of ways to stop them, and I've got this bird feeder here, and I've made a little saucer for the top because what the pigeons were doing was gripping onto this and then eating all the food. Oh, there's still some in there. So I made that like little, drilled a hole in a plant saucer and put it over. And hopefully that'll stop the pigeons because they'll be too big to land on it now. But the little birds will still have access. Hello. And the fat ball thing's all right. They can't do anything with that. And I've got just put one over there, and I put like a stick. Oh yeah, I put this stick in front of it. I drilled it to the pergola, and it's hanging down, and hopefully that'll stop the pigeons again gripping on the edge of that. This here. And it seems to have been successful because there's still some food left in. Whereas on previous mornings, I've come out and the food's been gone straight away. But anyway, on to some exciting news. I've got a pond over there that's a bit wild and free, and I noticed the water wasn't flowing. So I went over to clear the weed because the weed gets stuck in the filter. And look at that, frog spawn, absolutely loads of it. I hope that doesn't dry out, that big clump there. I might top it up with some water out of the water butt. But look at that, I'm so pleased because I've lived in this house now for about 4 years, and this pond's probably been here about 3. And I've never had frog spawn in it before. And if all that hatches out, I'll have millions of frogs all running around my garden, or hopping around my garden. So I'm quite looking forward to watching it progress. So yes, what's this? Let's just have a little walk round. It's only a small garden. Oh, there's a little daffodil. I've got some lovely little primroses there. And some little tete-a-tete daffodils. More little primulas. And I've got a lovely hellebore there at the back. There, lovely. Everything's starting to come now. Lots of daffodils over here. So pretty. I think I'll start cutting these hydrangeas down. Well, not cutting them down, but just getting rid of the just pruning them a bit, really. Not much going on here on the patio, really. Just got one pot there with some daffodils and hopefully some tulips will come up soon. More little tete-a-tete daffodils. So pretty. Alice.